Hey guys, what's up? DJ Lucero here, and I'm going to show you how to solve Rubik's Cube. So first, I gotta mix it up. Show you up close. I'm gonna mix it up. So I'd say that's about all mixed up, you know? See it? Okay, so let's get to solving it. All the tricks that everybody tells you, like move this and then this, yeah, those are not true. None of those are true. Trust me, and I've tried all of them. Trust me, I just tried a bunch of them. Like, and they don't even work. It has to be a solved cube in order for them to work. And that sucks, because you're wanting to learn how to solve it, and you have to have a solved cube to have it that way. And it really sucks, because you really want to solve the cube, and then it's like, they're not even telling you how. It's telling you a dumb way to get more views. Okay, it's solved. See the green side, the orange side, the blue side, and the red side. That's the green side again, the white side, and the orange side, or the yellow side. So, move that out of the way, and, well, I hope you liked the video. Thanks, and goodbye, I guess? So, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and for more videos. So, yeah, bye.